This is the product I've been using on my motorhome, especially on the fiberglass. I've used the one-step compound.
This is used on heavy oxidated surfaces.
This has been great on the light oxidated areas. It doesn't need the compound. This will do just fine, and it will wax at the same time. This is just pure wax, which I used last actually, and this is the high gloss polish. Restores the valuable oils to feed and nourish the gel coat on boats and RVs. So this is what I'm going to be using on my motorhome in different areas depending on which area, but it's basically a three-part. When I use the one-step compound, put a coat of high gloss polish afterwards, and I also use the pure wax. Those are the three steps I use. And then I use a pad. It is made by Speedy Foam. It's 44609. It's a 7-inch, and it's a very good, made out of very good material. And then of course a buffer is a Chicago electric power tool, adjustable speeds, and this is to adjust it lower and this is to adjust it higher, and it will show up on this small screen here. The pad it comes with is Velcro. This basically sticks right onto it. It sticks right onto it and peels right off.
I will begin with the compound in back of my motorhome. The back cap is very oxidated.
All the way through the top there, all the way down to the bottom area where all these decals are. And if you see this side where there's some minor oxidation, there is a lot of shine.
Here I will only use wax cleaner. We will start with dish soap and water and brush it in the whole fiberglass area. Hose off the soap. Wipe down the dry.
Okay, we're going to do the one-step compound.
I spread it on the surface with a rag. I start at a very low speed so it doesn't splash everywhere. It spreads it nice. And keep the pad as flat as possible.
Take a rag, it's a microfiber rag, and we fold it into 4.
And we wipe down the film from the compound to see the progress.
Yeah, there's the difference. Nothing there, shiny here. Not a lot of shine. I have to give it another coat, but it's already a big difference.
Spreading more compound. Buff it down. Spread more compound. Buff it down again. There's no need to put a lot of pressure on the buffer. Just keep it light. You want to be very careful around decals, not to put too much pressure. Too much heat will make them peel off. You kind of get the idea. Final wipe down for compound. Let's see how it looks.
And that's the shine right there. That's what I'm talking about. See it up here and down here. Up here and down here. That's what you want. Now put a coat of the high gloss polish.
This will restore oils into the pores of the gel coat.
Smear it. It says not to let this dry. You have to wipe it off as soon as possible. Okay, still a little spotty there, but very shiny, very, very shiny. Okay, we're going to see what the wax does now. We're going to use the cleaner wax, one step. It removes light oxidation and minor scratches, restores gloss and quality gel coat, provides superior durable protection. We're going to put a coat of this and then let it dry, and then we'll wipe it off. like this. Have a clean microfiber cloth. It's very hazy. I don't know if you can see that. It looks dry. All you got to do is run your finger. If it has no moisture at all, that's it. It's ready.
Wiping off the dry wax.
Nice and smooth. And that's as good as it's going to get. But you see the difference between the two. And here's the difference on top here between the two. I mean, a lot of shine here. You get up to here, very little shine. That's the 3 steps, the 3 main steps that it takes to do the whole thing. I'm going to do the rest of the motorhome. Wish me luck. Alright guys, have a great day.